Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll finish up the repair process and get your windows operating smoothly again. Let's pick up where we left off. Clean the switch. Dirt and debris can cause malfunctions. Use electronic cleaner spray to clean the switch. Let it dry completely. Reconnect or replace. If the switch works after cleaning, reconnect it. If it doesn't, install a new switch by connecting the wires and securing it in place. Reassemble the door panel. Put the door panel back on, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured. Reconnect the battery to test the switch. Final test. Test the switch while the door is closed to ensure it operates correctly. Following these steps can save you time and money, but remember to take your time and work carefully. When to seek professional help. While many power window switch issues are DIY friendly, there are times when calling a pro is the better option. Consider seeking professional help in these scenarios. Complex electrical issues. If the window does not respond at all, there may be a deeper electrical problem, possibly in the wiring harness. Multiple windows fail. If more than one window stops working, this might indicate a bigger problem with the vehicle's electrical system. Overheating or burning smells. If you notice strange smells or if the switch becomes hot to the touch, do not attempt to fix this yourself. These could be signs of a serious electrical failure. Inexperience. If you are not confident in your ability to perform repairs, it is safer to leave it to the experts. Warranty issues. If your car is still under warranty, consult your dealer before attempting any repairs. You don't want to void your warranty. When it comes to power window switches, being informed can make a big difference. Whether you opt for a DIY fix or call in the pros, understanding your options ensures that you can keep your windows functioning smoothly. Preventative maintenance for power window switches. Taking care of your power window switches can save you from inconvenient repairs and ensure your windows work smoothly. Just like regular oil changes keep your car running well, maintaining your window switches helps them last longer. Let's look at two essential parts of upkeep: regular inspections and cleaning techniques. Regular inspections. Regular checks can catch issues before they become big problems. Think of your power window system like a garden. If you don't weed it, problems will grow. Here are some inspection tips you can follow. Check for smooth operation. Roll your windows up and down. If they move slowly or get stuck, that's a red flag. Look for warning signs. Listen for unusual sounds like grinding or clicking when you use the switch. These noises can indicate wear and tear. Inspect the switches. Make sure the switches respond quickly. If they feel sticky or need extra pressure, it's time to clean or repair them. Watch for electrical issues. If only one window doesn't work, it could be an isolated issue. If multiple windows are failing, you might have a more significant electrical problem. Cleaning and lubrication tips. Cleaning and lubricating your window mechanisms can prevent problems from creeping in. Dirty components can lead to sticking or malfunction. Here's how to do it right. Gather your supplies. You will need a soft cloth, mild soap, water, and a silicone-based lubricant. Clean the switch area. Unplug the switch if possible. Wipe down the area with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Use a little soap and water for stubborn spots. Be careful not to let water seep into the switch. Lubricate the mechanism. Locate the window tracks. These are the paths the window slides in and out of. Apply a silicone lubricant along the tracks. This keeps everything sliding smoothly. Avoid using grease as it can attract dirt, leading to more issues. Test the windows. After cleaning and lubricating, test your windows again to see if the operation has improved. By performing regular inspections and cleaning your power window switches, you can prevent issues from arising and extend the life of your windows. It's a small effort that brings big rewards. Cost of power window switch repair in 2024. Understanding the cost of power window switch repair in 2024 is essential for any car owner. Whether you're considering doing it yourself or hiring a professional, knowing the potential expenses helps you make informed decisions. Let's break down the costs involved and the factors that influence them. D versus professional costs. When it comes to repairing your power window switch, you have options. Below is a comparison between doing it yourself and hiring a professional. D. Costs. Parts. The average cost for a replacement power window switch ranges from $20 to $80, depending on your vehicle's make and model. Tools. If you don't already own them, tools like screwdrivers and socket wrenches might set you back another $20 to $50. Time. Consider the time you'll invest. Depending on your skill level, it may take a couple of hours. Professional costs. Labor. Hiring a mechanic usually involves labor costs ranging from $50 to $100 per hour. Total repair costs can be between $100 and $300, including parts and labor. Warranty. A professional job often comes with a warranty, giving you peace of mind. Should you go DIY or go for a pro? If you're handy and enjoy working on cars, a DIY repair can save you money. But if time and convenience are priorities, hiring a professional might be the better choice. Factors influencing repair costs. Several factors can affect the overall repair costs for your power window switch in 2024. Here are the key ones to keep in mind. Vehicle make and model. Luxury or rare cars often have higher costs due to specialized parts. Type of repair needed. If it's just the switch, you'll pay less than if the wiring or motor also needs fixing. Location. Labor costs can vary based on where you live. Urban areas may have higher rates than rural ones. Condition of the vehicle. Older vehicles might require additional repairs, increasing costs. Availability of parts. If the parts are hard to find or need to be ordered, that can add to your overall expenses. Knowing these costs and factors helps you plan your budget effectively. Whether you choose to repair it yourself or rely on a professional, make sure you're informed. Maintaining and understanding your power window switches is essential for smooth and safe driving. A properly functioning switch not only enhances convenience but also ensures the well-being of passengers. If you notice any issues, don't wait. Address them promptly to avoid more significant problems down the line. Consider an inspection or a DIY repair, depending on your skill level. Feeling uncertain? Seek professional help to get it right. Engage with your vehicle to keep it in top shape, and remember, taking care of small details today can prevent bigger headaches tomorrow. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.